Did you know that Baume and Mercier is one of the oldest watch brands in the world? Their story dates back to as early as 1830. That's just right behind Girard-Perregaux, which was founded in 1791, and right before Longines, which was founded in 1832. Right now, we're unboxing this Baume and Mercier Riviera watch, still fresh from the store. Double checking all the inclusions, it's right here, all of the extra links, the paper, and the cards. This watch is driven by a Swiss-made automatic movement and is adorned with a white mother-of-pearl dial and is mounted on a metal bracelet. Loyal to the original design, it keeps its dodecagonal bezel setted with 4 diamonds and an interchangeable strap system. This watch has a display case back and has a butterfly clasp for that seamless, clean look. This is 37 millimeters in size, and I think this is just perfect on my 6-inch wrist. Putting on the watch, I can say that the bracelet and the watch is very comfortable, and this is how it looks on my 6-inch wrist. This watch really has a presence, but it's not too overpowering. I love the applied indices and the Roman numerals at the 6 o'clock and 12 o'clock positions. Do you like this watch? Hit the comments and head on over to my Instagram.